Четвертый класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание, урок 17, часть 1, страница 36-37, English, Starlight 4, homework, lesson number 17, part number 1, page number 36-37. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 36. Animals in the ocean. Exercise number 1. What am I? Read and say. Животные в океане. Кто я? Прочитай и скажи. Shark, octopus, coral, seahorse, starfish, sea cow. Read after me. I'm usually red, but I can be lots of colors. I've got 5 arms. I can't move very fast. The answer, starfish. I'm quite small and I've got a long tail and a long nose. I'm very beautiful. Number 2, the answer, seahorse. Number 3, I've got a fat body, 2 arms, and a tail. I can swim very fast. I don't eat meat, only vegetables. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Take it out of the ocean. Look and say what doesn't belong there. Достань это из океана. Посмотри и скажи, что не принадлежит ему. TV, a vacuum cleaner, a boot, an iron, a seaweed, starfish, a seahorse, a shark, a fish, an octopus, a bike, a basket. The answer, a TV, a basket, a boot, an iron, a bike, a vacuum cleaner don't belong the ocean. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 37. Go green. Exercise number 3. Think of the sea animal. Read and complete, then tell the class about it. Подумай про морских животных. Прочитай и закончи. Затем расскажи классу про него. Your name, Kate. Number 1. What is the name of your sea animal? Как зовут твоего морского животного? It's a dolphin. Number 2. What does it look like? Big, small, color, etc. The answer. Как он выглядит? It's beautiful. It's got a long body and a long nose. It's great. Number 3. Where does it live? The answer. Где он живет? A dolphin lives in the ocean and in the sea. Number 4. What does it eat? Что он ест? It eats fish. Number 5. Write any other interesting facts about your sea animal. Draw or stick a picture. The answer. Number 5. Напиши еще несколько интересных фактов о своем морском животном. Нарисуй или прикрепи картинку. Dolphins can swim very fast. They are also very intelligent sea animals. Some people believe that they can treat people. Boys and girls, we must exercise number 4. Now think about what can hurt your sea animal. What can happen when your sea animal can't get the food it needs? Сейчас подумай что может навредить твоему животному. The water pollution, and of course we people can help my sea animal. Number 2. Что случится, когда твое морское животное не сможет получить еду, в которой он нуждается? It can die. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow,